judge had misdirected the duty of the trial in April. Two judges of the appeal court overturned the original guilty verdict. Judge Lady Dorian said he should not have been convicted because of what she described as an insufficiency of evidence. She said the inevitable result of the